Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we will show you how to uninstall Google Meet app from Android phone, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. You can usually find this app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and look for the Apps option. Tap on it to open the menu. Step 3. In the Apps menu, find the Manage Apps option and click on it. Step 4. Next, tap on the search bar option and type the name Meet. Step 5. From the search results, tap on the Meet option on the screen. Step 6. Within the App Info menu, look for the Uninstall option at the bottom corner, then click on it. Step 7. Finally, confirm by tapping the OK option. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled Google Meet app from Android phone. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.